All right. Now we are going to do the same thing for the second one. What is our m? It is not 3 because that's not the number with x. Remember, x is always our slope. So it would be 1 over 1, and our b is 3. So we are going to plot our b here, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. What do you notice? What do you notice? They're literally intersecting the entire time. So that is called infinitely many solutions. Oopsies. Okay, infinitely many solutions. So that's the one where they're the same thing over and over. So now, looking at the second page, this one will have one intersection just like the first one. All right, so take a moment, write what m and b is for both of these, and then let's check ourselves. Welcome back. So we should have had that our m is negative 2 over 1, so this would be down 2, right 1. And then we have our b as 4. Our other one would be m is equal to negative 1 over 1, which means down 1, right 1. And our b is 2. So hopefully you got both of those things. Now try to graph the equations as well. Try to graph them yourself and see where you end up. Welcome back. We should have had 4 here, 2 over 1, 2 over 1, 2 over 1, 2 over 1, and then we should have had 2 here, 1 over 1, 1 over 1. So notice how I graphed as many points as possible, and I did not do a good job with drawing my line. So sorry about that. I got that line, and then I got that line. Okay? So now, where do the two intersect at? Where do the two intersect at? At this point right here, and we are going to write it as a coordinate, it's not just 2, it is 2, 0. X coordinate first, which is at 2, y coordinate is at 0. Okay? Do the same thing, write your m and your b for number 4, and then come back. M is 2 over 1. B is 2, M is 1 over 1, B is negative 1. So, welcome back. Hopefully you got that. Now, try to graph it and then come back and check. Welcome back. We should have 2 and then up 2 over 1. We can't go any further, so we're going to do the best we can to graph our line there. And notice how I kept going. And then we have it at negative 1, up 1 over 1. So, if you came back, you probably were like, hold up, Ms. Sherman, they don't intersect. But again, if you notice, if I draw my line, right? If I draw my line, they would eventually intersect right here. So this is why it's super important to get those lines drawn now. Okay? And that intersection is at 1, 2, 3, negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, negative. All right? Great job. We'll come back and do the last one.